Testing some pecan shells in my Lonestar pellet grill just to see what it looks like with a big mix. I got a bag from my friend Dave, who has some sourcing. Was going to mix that in, just straight shells, not pellets. Mix it in a bucket. Probably did 30% mix with regular, just standard pellets. Got it in my hopper, and let's test some chicken, see if we notice a difference. I did the BPOS sweet mesquite pecan, and then some voodoo and fajita for some enchiladas. Let them get a good sweat on. It is pretty smoky. Definitely smokier. That was noticeable. Definitely more smoky. With the pecan pellets in there. This is on startup. That's my filter bag in case any moisture gets in there, kind of safety. 30% mix. Not bad. Could go higher if you want. I thought it was more noticeable than wood chips. Has a good smoke.
Two hours later.
2 hours later, checking in. Not bad. Looking pecan-y. Definitely looks pecan-y. Good color. Good smoke. Turned out pretty good. I was impressed. Good smoke, good color, good flavor. Very subtle. Good color. We tested the voodoo. That's what this one was. Quite juicy. And I used those fajitas for my smoked chicken and sour cream enchiladas with mole. Just a little bit weird that, where's the wiggle? If you look on the right, I've got wiggle of up and down, but it was very smooth on the left with the pecan mixed in. Didn't have the up and down smoke. So the verdict, I thought it was good. Had good flavor. Thought it was very subtle. Only you can tell if you like the smoke or not. I thought it was good, and it was quite juicy.
And I'd do it again.
And I'd do it again. If you'd like to order some, reach out to Dave. Here's his email. It's $20 for a 20-pound bag. I think it's worth it. Much cheaper than the pecan pellets. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next cook.